top of Center Point Knob. It is Monday, June 17th. Started out raining this morning, so I'm on my way down into Boiling Springs. I have about 3 miles to go. I'm feeling pretty wet. Not too bad though. It's stopped for a little bit, but I was glad I was able to get back on the trail early this morning because I'd like to get into Boiling Springs and have some real food. I don't know that there's a place to stay there. I'm gonna have to wait till Carlisle, but I'm about ready to take a 0 day. But all is good. It's been a nice, Pennsylvania's been really nice. Trails have been really good. Yesterday was hard. Had a pretty bad, well not bad, but couple of 4 or 5 big rock scrambles that kind of took it out of me yesterday. But I got 8.5 miles in, so not that I'm really keeping track. So I am on my way to Boiling Springs and see if I can get a good breakfast. There's a place called Cafe 101 that's supposed to have a really good breakfast, so that's where I'm headed. Here's the first snake I've seen so far. I probably wouldn't have saw it if it didn't move. It just really blends in. It's not a poisonous one, I don't think. It's just a regular black snake. Well, this is cool. This is part of the Appalachian Trail that goes next to this cornfield, well, some kind of field. I don't know what kind of field it is, but that's really cool. First open area I've been in a while. It's nice. The trail goes that way. Ooh, some berries. Of berries. I think I may have to have one of those purple ones right there. Like this one right there. They're good. They're like dewberries, like we have at home. A friend of mine wanted to say hi to her home state. Hi, home state of Kathy's home state of Pennsylvania. Going through the corn and the wheat fields. Now I'm going through the children of the cornfields. Boiling Springs. I'm on the way to Cafe 101 for breakfast. that's nice. There's a step over the fence, but some kind of fence. It's not barbed wire. Not like we have in Texas. Cool. On my way to Carlisle. I feel like I'm going through a rainforest. It's hot and humid today, but I'm glad it's not raining, and it's not real sunny either, so that's good. Going through another cornfield. Well, next to a cornfield. Walking in these fields and open fields in the rain, a little bit of rain and wind feels so good. It was so hot and humid in the trees back there. So this just feels really good. As long as it doesn't rain real hard. But if it does, I'll just sit mine. Punch them. So I got about 4 more miles before I get to Carlisle. I really enjoyed this hike through Pennsylvania. It's a lot different than Georgia and North Carolina. But the hard part in Pennsylvania is still up to come. The big, gigantic rocks are coming up. All right, I'm gonna put my phone down. This is the Pennsylvania Turnpike. I'm glad I didn't have to cross it, except over this road, which is nice. I can't wait to get into Carlisle. Only 1 more mile to go. Whew. I am really dirty and muddy. All of my feet are real muddy. My pants have gotten too big. I don't know if you could see them down there.